What is up, guys and girls? It's Dan right here. As you can see, I'm just chilling in the jacuzzi area of the pool here, over here in my condo in Thailand. So guys, I want to give you the main reasons why I recommend you should join Salesvision and at least go and watch the live stream in TV, Salesvision TV or Business Entertainment TV, which has been streamed live several times every week. Now the main reasons you're going to want to join Salesvision and get your Visa Black Card. You can get paid on your Black Card in any currency, any country worldwide. You can use it at an ATM to withdraw in your local currency, or you can use it anywhere that accepts a Visa card. It's a two-level system. It's not a multi-level marketing platform, okay? It's a two-level super affiliate program, okay? So this is not MLM, but the CEOs and the trainers involved are responsible for over $100 million worth of sales, both online and offline and in network marketing. But like I said, this is not a multi-level program, okay? It's a simple super affiliate two-level program, just like ClickFunnels. Now also like ClickFunnels, you get a ton of email capture pages, which can be used to generate leads for your email list, which you can use for any business. So not only in Salesvision itself, you can use your leads to generate sales for your other businesses you may be involved in online. It's a life and sales and marketing university, unlike anything you've ever seen before online. I can assure you of that because I've been part of many of these marketing programs, training programs which teach you how to market online, membership websites which teach you the same thing, and I can assure you that this is 100 times better, if not 1,000 times better than any of those guys. Now what you get with most of those is a simple affiliate link which takes you to their website. You just get your own affiliate link, you get the replicated website, you send the leads there, you generated more sales for them, and that's about all you get. And with some of them which have come and gone over the years, one particular company which was very, very big, I won't mention the name right now, but they've come and gone already, and what they were doing was telling you to go and promote their website, their business, and they were telling people to spend thousands of dollars on clicks on paid advertising, and most people didn't make a penny, didn't make a dollar, didn't make a dime, and in fact they lost a lot of money, okay? Now with Salesvision Life and Marketing University, we teach you how to get leads and sales for free online using various platforms including social media and other ways. Everything is laid out for you in step-by-step, over-the-shoulder videos, training in orderly steps that you can follow. 3 simple steps and 3 simple clicks can make you money online, believe it or not, with this system, guys. Now even if you choose not to promote the Salesvision business opportunity itself, which I recommend you do because it's like I say, it's extremely lucrative. It's a 2-level compensation plan and you can make a lot of money. Just hit me up if you want a compensation plan, or I've actually got a video where I can show you exactly how you can make 100k per year with very few customers with Salesvision, okay? So hit me up if you want that. But what I recommend you do, guys, go ahead, take a look inside for free by going to my website, which is globalinternetsuccess.com. In all transparency, that is my affiliate link, okay? That website will forward you to the Salesvision TV website or the Salesvision live streaming. There's a video at the top, watch that video. If it's not live streaming, then it'll be a replay of the most recent live stream. Okay, so I recommend you go ahead and do that. If you want to elevate your life, if you want to elevate your business, if you want to take your business to the next level. Now guys, it doesn't matter whether you're brand new to online marketing or whether you've been in online marketing for many years. I can assure you, you've never seen better training than this, okay? Like I said, the CEO and the business partners are responsible for over $100 million in sales, both online and offline. One of the trainers is responsible for over $100 million in real estate sales. Another one, the CEO's mother, actually, Gillian Ortega, was responsible for over $60 million worth of sales at Mary Kay. I'm sure many of you heard of Mary Kay. And then Vincent Ortega himself has done over $500 million, a lot more than that actually, in online sales, okay? So you've got everything you need, the training, the mentorship, and everything you need to take your business to the next level or even start a brand new online business. So what I recommend you do right now, guys, is go over to my website, which is globalinternetsuccess.com, click on the button, pull out your credit card, and get involved with Salesvision. Join at least pro level, because after pro level then you're eligible for the 2 levels of commissions when you refer other people to the platform, and believe me, you are going to want to do that. Another way to make money with Salesvision is a Salesvision marketplace. Okay, now this is a simple marketplace where you can buy almost anything, just like Amazon. Only if you've ever done affiliate marketing for Amazon, you'll know that when you send someone to Amazon, you only get paid on the first time you send them there. Okay, so whatever they buy that first time they click on your link, they might put 1 or 2 things in their cart and buy, and you get a commission, a very small commission as well with Amazon. But the next time that customer goes back to Amazon, which they will again and again and again, everybody's a repeat customer. Once people buy from Amazon, they tend to buy again and again. You don't get anything from Amazon. Okay, Amazon basically pay you to send them the customer one time, then they keep that customer, and you're just growing their business for them. Now with Salesvision Marketplace, once a customer purchases through your link, they're your customer for life. They're locked to you for life. Okay, so anything they buy from the marketplace in the future, you get paid again and again. So there's another stream of residual income just for referring someone to the marketplace one time. You get paid every time they go back. Okay, now there's many other ways you can make money with Salesvision, or you can use it simply to learn how to generate more leads and more sales for your own online business. Okay, so what I recommend you do right now, guys, like I said, go over to my website, globalinternetsuccess.com, click on the button. There's 3 simple steps you can earn money on a Visa Black Card, which comes with the first level. Once you join, you get a free Visa Black Card, which allows you to withdraw cash in your local currency in any country in the world, or use it anywhere that anywhere you see the Visa sign, any store that accepts Visa, you can use that Black Card to buy products with your cash, with your commission. Okay, so go ahead, guys, pull out your credit card, change it for a Visa Black Card, and experience the benefits for yourself. You can also win money on the Visa Black Card just for attending the live streaming events, the live streaming Salesvision TV, Business Entertainment TV, which is streaming several times every week, sometimes several times a day across multiple platforms. Okay, so that's huge as well. And all of those leads which are generated from the live streams actually go back to the directors. Okay, so the master directors, the master creators, and the directors, if you're coming in at any of those 3 higher levels, you actually get free leads from the rotator system. No other company does that, guys. Other companies, if someone goes to their website without an affiliate link attached to it, then the company simply keeps that commission, keeps that customer, and nobody else gets the commission for that. And now with Salesvision, when somebody goes to the Salesvision website, if there's no affiliate link attached to it, then it goes into the rotator system, and it's equally rotated through all the directors, master directors, and master creators. Okay, so many of us have already received free leads and free sales which have already been closed for us. Many of us have already received several $1,500 commissions, $1,250 commissions, $2,500 commissions. I've had $2,500 days. Many people have had $1,000 days. Some people who've joined with me have had $1,000 days simply through the rotator before they've even referred anybody else. Okay, so that's all there is to it, really, guys. If you want the compensation plan, the PDF, let me know, or I've got a video where I explain how you can earn 100k per year quite easily with very few sales as well. Other than that, like I say, what you want to do right now, go to the website, pull out your credit card, join at least pro level, and change your credit card for a Salesvision Black Card, which will change your life.